Hello everyone, I'm Abhishek from Design Survey. So we are going to create motion effect. So let's start with the video without wasting any time. Okay, first of all let's duplicate this image 2 times. Like we need our subject and the background in a different layers. So let's duplicate it 2 times. Okay, now we want our background, like BG for background, and our subject layer. Okay, so now I suggest you to use pen tool, but I'm using object selection tool. And if you are not seeing this tool, you are using older version of Photoshop, and you can use any tool you want to. I'm really sorry. And if you want to use this tool, you have to update your Photoshop. Okay, let's go to select, modify and expand. Let's expand this selection to 4 pixel. And yeah, now create a mask, and now we have our subject in a different layer. Just hide it, hold Ctrl or Command and click on the icon of the mask and go to select, modify and expand. Now put like 10 or 12 is okay, I guess. Let's see, is it okay? Because we want our background without our subject, so we are going to remove our subject from the background. So let's go to edit. First of all, don't forget to select your background layer. Now go to edit, content aware fill, and boom, your subject is gone like this. Okay, hit OK. Now select your background layer and convert it into a smart object. Now go to filter, blur gallery and path blur. Okay, so we have a path blur here. Just make sure this line is straight. Okay, now play with settings, speed, and just play with it and see what you like and what looks good for your image. So I go with this and hit OK. Taking now now this looks literally flat. So what we can do, we can create a new layer and select your brush. Make sure your brush is soft rounded brush and your foreground color is black. Just dab on your subject and select your move tool. Press Ctrl T, hold shift. If you are using a new version of Photoshop, hold shift. If you are not using a new version of Photoshop, you don't have to hold shift. So like this, make the shadow for our subject. Okay, now this looks nice. Now change the blending mode to soft light and play with opacity, play with fill, and it's all your liking. And now go to, let's create a curves adjustment layer. I want little bit of depth, contrast, and little bit. Play with it what you like. And okay, now what we can do is create a solid color adjustment layer pick any color you want. I go with this color and change the blending mode to color and play with fill, decrease fill to like 40% and it looks amazing, I guess. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for supporting me, and you can support this channel by following my Instagram. And if you are from my Instagram and watching this, thank you so much bro. Thank you so much. And if you are Indian, भाई यार लाइक कर दो यार, ऐसे कैसे कर रहे हो? कर दो भाई लाइक करने में क्या जा रहा है, कर दो. See you in the next one guys. See you in the next one. Bye. Bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored in the motherfucker in the house, bored in the motherfucker in the